Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to get maximum salary or minimum salary. That means I just want to find max and min from the list. So we have two ways to do that. One is either I can use normal sorting logic and then I can use limit to get the top salary and then we can do that. But other way is also we have max and min function. Using that we can get the total number of maximum employee salary in that way. So let's first do the first way. So I'll use here employees dot stream employees dot stream employees dot stream dot I'll do here sort, and using sorting I'll pass here P1 and then P2. Now here I want to first get maximum salary. So if I want to get the maximum salary, I have to use P2 dot get employee salary minus P1 dot get employee salary. And since this is sorted, right, so we can use here we can convert it into integer. Let's parse it into int. So now we have just converted it into integer format, and whatever output we get, we have just parsed it. Now dot limit. So we can use limit and then I'll say 1. So this limit will return here a stream of employee. And then what we have to do, we have to apply here for each loop. So for that, I'll just copy this thing from here, and it will return us the top salary or maximum salary or salaried person of the employer, right? So sys out max salary, right? So in this case you will see that we can see Shohan is the person whose salary is 7,000, right, which is comparing with others we get this. But the problem here is in this case we are getting only one object if we are matching with 2, right? So since we have added limit 1 only, right, here we can say limit 1. If I will use limit 2, we will get all both employees, right, Shohan and Sohan from Patna and Delhi. This is one way to get that, but another way that we have is we can use min and max. So for that I will use employees dot stream, and here I'll do dot max. So we have max function and it will work as comparator only. So we have to basically perform comparing that comparing thing only. That whatever thing we are doing with sorting, we have to do the same thing here. So I'll just copy it and paste it here. Now after doing sort, we have to just write get. So now whatever employee whose salary is greater, it will return that object employee E equal to this. So now we get the topmost salaried person. So I can simply do sys out E just to see what data we have here. In this case it is saying employee ID 2, which is not correct, right? It's getting max salary, right? So max salary it is saying 3,000, and stream dot max P1 P2, and then what we are doing P2 dot get salary, and then we are doing just dot get. So it should return us the maximum salaried person, although it's not returning, right? Maybe let me check with employee ID here. So I'll say P. All right, let me see. So we have to maybe write 1 and then I'll say P2, right? Just compare, right, P1 and P2, and then we can see yes, correct. So the logic we added is wrong. We should not use sorting as sorting logic where we were just doing P2, but we just need to write here P1 dot get salary minus P2 dot get salary, and internally it will automatically compare and will give you maximum salary. Now same thing if I want to do with minimum salary, then what we can do, we can just copy it and paste it one more time, and here we can write min. We don't need to write complex logic to print the data. So I can directly use min and max function to get the data. So now we can get this 102 salary is less. So here it is saying 3000, and so this way we can get our you know minimum salary and maximum salary through Java 8. Thank you so much for watching the video.